Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Lindsay.
I'm Kylie.
And I'm Marjorie.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Monday, March 2nd. There will be no national anthem today. Please stand and join us in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance only this morning.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Seniors, if you did not pick up your graduation announcements from Jostens, they are now available in the Student Finance Office.
All juniors will be taking the ACT starting at 7:45 tomorrow. Please be at school on time. No one can be admitted to a testing room once the test has begun. You need to bring a photo ID for check-in, an ACT-approved calculator, and number 2 pencils only. Please be on time and go immediately to your assigned room. A last name list of room assignments and approved calculator list is posted in the Media Center and main office windows.
Leave your cell phones, water bottles, food, and backpacks at home. They are not allowed in the testing rooms. Students who bring any of these items into the testing room will have their tests invalidated. There will be no locker or hallway access where testing is in session. Testing is expected to be completed by 12:30 or 1 o'clock. Please plan accordingly. Please see Mrs. Grimm or Mrs. Keller in the Media Center with any questions.
Up last today, Mr. Murphy with more information on the activities for tomorrow.
Good morning, Timpanogos High School. Guys, tomorrow is Career Day, as you know, and as you know, it's part of our vision here at Timpanogos High School that all students earn a high school diploma and plan for post-secondary education or specialized training. You should have that well embedded into your minds and hearts by now. Okay, let's review this document together. First of all, sophomores and seniors, this day is expected that all students attend, especially the morning part. The afternoon we'll get to in just a few minutes, which is your discretion. Okay, so 9 o'clock, we have a keynote speaker. Need to have you here, sophomores and seniors, 9 a.m. in the auditorium. As you can see here, Doug Nielsen is our keynote speaker. He has a great theme and going to be a great presenter, a great opportunity for you. Then from that point on, you'll have 3 breakout sessions as listed below here. We will give art credit for those who need it for those 3 sessions and the breakout session. Sophomores and seniors, as it says here, you conclude at noon. Let's go down to the juniors here. Okay, all juniors, the information is right here in text. Make sure you read it carefully. ACT starts at 7:45. You should be able to go to the Media Center, get your assigned room, and make sure that you follow the guidelines there for the ACT test. This is a great opportunity for every junior to take that ACT test, which you know is an entrance exam into college and universities. Okay, that's the first half of the morning. All students are expected to participate in that first half. At noon, we'll have lunch for you if you choose to eat lunch here at school. And then from 12:30 to 2:15, if you look further down the schedule here, it is consultation, flex time. It's your discretion. There are 14 days left in this term, and so we would trust that you would use that time the best of your ability. Some students will be invited to attend flex sessions. Some students will be, like I said, it'll be your option to attend if you have a test or a quiz or something to make up, but make sure that you're in good standing academically. And this is a great opportunity from 12:30 to 2:15 to use that time. You'll note here at the bottom, there are 2 ARC sessions that are going to be given in room 212 for the first 40 that need that opportunity, 12:30 to 1:20, and then 1:25 to 2:15. And finally, guys, at the bottom here for the seniors and the sophomores, you can note there that we're going to have 17 presenters. These are professionals coming in from our community to present to you about the careers and kind of the life that they live in the career that they lead. So, guys, enjoy the day tomorrow. We expect you here at the designated times. And as always, it's a great day to be a T-Wolf.
For T-Wolf TV, I'm Kylie.
I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Marjorie.
Have a great day, T-Wolves.